On the 7th day, we've now ditched the coast and we're heading inland to the village of Rhodes, and we're going to make our way through the mountain passes of the Eastern Cape Highlands, making our way to Durban. So slight change of route, so you can get a break from the beach. We arrived in Rhodes and checked into a place called Alpine Swift Cottage. The views are tops, can't fault it. The cottage that we booked in is basic but acceptable, and it does the trick. So just some useless info. Drakensberg in Afrikaans means Dragon Mountain, and where we are in Rhodes is basically the southern end of the Drakensberg, and it's also known as the tail of the dragon. Nordea's Neck viewpoint. Smart, very smart.